With the development of the world economic globalization, Chinese position in the international economic arena has become increasingly prominent, following China's rapidly developing economy. Shengye has been growing rapidly at the average annual rate of 30%, and gradually into the competitive national high-tech enterprise, focusing on capacitor and energy-saving technology. Shengye is located in the miraculous and beautiful place, Shunde District, Foshan City, which is dubbed as the picturesque and pleasant hinterland of the Pearl River Delta. It covers a total area of 30,000 square meters. There are more than 700 employees. Shengye successively won the honorary titles of Guangdong Province Architecture Electric Recommended Product for the Asian Games of 2010. Guangdong Province Famous Brand Product, Guangdong Province Well-Known Trademark, etc. In addition, Shengye has become a cooperative partner for the electrical industry of CCTV program, Dialogue of Influence, UN procurement supplier, as well as a member of capacitor branch of Chinese Institute of Electronics, power capacitor branch of China Electrical Equipment Industry Association, National Power Capacitor Standard Drafting Unit and Standard Committee, and National Reactive Compensation Expert Group. Supported by the Professionally Certified Technology and Engineering Center, the state-of-art environmentally friendly production line, imported automatic production equipment, new green materials, 50,000 level dust-free clean room, unique metal spraying technology, quick energizing sorting, precise vacuum infusion technology, and reliable finished product testing method. All processes are closely connected properly and seamless. Shengye gradually becomes a global R&D and manufacturing platform, keeps up with the most developed countries, such as USA, Japan, and Germany, in the aspects of technological development capacity, and builds our own core competitiveness. Shengye consistently adheres to the quality policy of consistently striving for perfection, making users rest assured, being consensus, synergy, and creating Shengye brand. Shengye establishes the quality system in accordance with requirements set forth in ISO 9001 of product quality management and applies it to the design, manufacturing, and service of capacitor products. Shengye has passed the ISO 14001 and OHSMS 18001 certification, as well as UL in USA, CQC and 3C in China, VDE and TUV in Germany, International CB and other product certifications. This is the first company in China which passed the UL 10000 AFC in the aspect of power capacitor. Shengye has superior resources and is good at value conversion. It has been dedicating itself to the R&D, manufacture and sales of film capacitor and relevant electric components. It is engaged in the R&D of power quality as the extension and improvement of the industrial chain with the aim to provide customers with the integrated combination product for comprehensive resolutions. In addition to leading the market in the aspects from elements, integration, systematization to solution, Shengye is also dominant in technology, service, and win-win mode. Shengye always insists on conceptual innovation and thought upgrading, takes improvement of industrial chain as the basis of creating another business model, sets up the win-win development platform, and improves brand influence. Today, Shengye takes the lead in the industry in terms of development speed, breadth, and depth. Our product's quality, profession, and integrated service can be felt in such countries and regions as North America, Europe, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia. Shengye is composed of DTC Division, ITC Division, PQM Division, and PEC Division. DTC Division is specialized in the R&D and manufacturing of dry-type metallized film capacitor and constantly carries out the R&D and application of new technologies, materials, and products. It has always been a leader in the industry, especially in the field of P2 segment film capacitor. It is the first manufacturer in China that the product service life really reaches A and B levels. Its main products are CBB61, CBB60, CBB80, and CBB20 capacitors, widely used in household appliance, industrial motor, pump, lamp, and reactive power compensation. It is the long-term capacitor supplier and strategic partner for GE and Whirlpool. Meanwhile, it has successively cooperated with Aramid, Shigo, SPG, Broad Ocean, Welling, Zhao Aberg, Guangzhou Lingxiao Pump Industry Company Limited, etc. In addition, it has been awarded Excellent Supplier and Annual Best Quality Awards by customers for many times. It enjoys very high popularity and recognition by domestic and overseas. ITC division is specialized in the R&D and manufacturing the oil-type metallized film capacitor. Its main products include head cover explosion-proof type product and twin-slot rolling stretched explosion-proof type products are widely used in air conditioning compressor, refrigerator, heat pump, dehumidifier, dishwashing machine, and other fields. According to the feedback of the end users, the failure rate of these products is far lower than the industrial standard. As Y Company makes use of its own technical strength to help customers to build incoming inspection documents, capacitor standards, and saving overall cost, as well as to work with customers to realize the capacitor special design or combine capacitor with other components. ITC division's products are sold to North America, Europe, and other regions. It has gained the honorary titles of Best in Class, Excellent Supplier, and Global Strategic Partner from Trane, Lennox, York, Nidec, and Whirlpool, and other honorary titles. PQM division is specialized in the R&D, manufacturing, and sales of power quality and energy-saving technology. Its main products include power capacitor, filter reactor, thyristor switch, reactive power compensation controller, PFC and filtering groupware, intelligent capacitor, PFC and filtering module, reactive power compensation filtering device, active power filter APF, and static VAR generator SVG, and they are widely used in the power distribution systems of the petrochemical engineering, coal mining, metallurgy, shipping, rail transit, airport, communication, sewage system, and high-rise buildings. Its products are sold to such countries and regions as Europe, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, Africa, and South America. It has built 15 representative offices in Shenyang, Beijing, Shanghai, and other places. It has over 50 dealers to provide pre-sale, in-sale, and after-sale services to our customers. With its strong R&D capacity, advanced production equipment, and complete management system, PQM division has continuously provided quality products and perfect solutions to well-known customers at home and abroad. PEC division is specialized in the R&D, manufacturing, sales, and technical service of power electronic capacitors. Its main products include DC link capacitor, heavy-duty AC filter capacitor, snubber capacitor, and impulse capacitor, and they are widely used in PV inverter, wind power converter, capacitor discharge welding machine, electric motor car, electrical vehicle, high voltage frequency converter, switching power supply, HVDC, UPS, APE, SVG, and others. In 2013, it successfully developed 2.2 kV and 4.4 kV large capacity single DC link capacitors and filling the gap of high voltage and high capacity single capacitor domestically and internationally. It is viewed as a rising star in Shenyang. Its products have been highly recognized by customers and the market. It has now established close cooperation relationships with many Chinese and foreign famous enterprises in the fields of new energy, smart grid, rail transit, communication power supply, and others. For example, ABB, Emerson, State Grid Corporation of China, Xuji Group Corporation, NR Electric, Zhiguang Electric. Taking action wins the future, and innovation realizes the dream. Looking forward, we plan a future road on a magnificent blueprint, with the mission of carrying human dream, leading the industrial development and reform and building the internationally famous Shengye brand, and the core cultural values of achievement, gratitude, as well as having the courage of persistence and reform. We will continue to take the professional and large-scale development route. We have realized the diversified development of relevant industries in a multitude of ways, while constantly seeking for the improvement of quality and service. We make every effort to build Shengye into an enterprise with widespread influence in China and even the world, so as to become an impeller and leader in the industrial reform.